Westminster Shorter Catechism, Question and Answer 34. Quaestio trigesima et quarta, quid est adoptio? Responsio, adoptio est actus gratiae Dei gratuitae, quo in numerum recipamur, ac ius obtenemus ad omnia privilegia filiorum Dei. The question, what is adoption? Adoptio is feminine singular and nominative. It is the predicate of quid, which is a neuter singular and nominative interrogative pronoun. The answer, adoption is an act of the free or gratuitous grace of God. So adoptio, now the subject, same gender number case, feminine singular nominative, actus, the predicate, masculine singular nominative, it's a fourth declension noun, and then linked by est. Adoption is an act of the grace of God, gratiae Dei, gratiae, feminine singular and genitive, modified by gratuitae, an adjective in the same gender number and case. So adoption is an act of the grace of God, Dei, masculine singular and genitive of possession, the gratuitous or free, unmerited grace of God, quo, by which. This relative pronoun quo is masculine, singular, and ablative. Masculine and singular because its antecedent is actus. Ablative because it's instrumental in this clause. So it is an act by which, in numerum, into the number, we are received, and the use, the right, we obtain or we gain. So this relative clause quo has two verbs, recipamur and obtenemus. Both are first plural, both are present, both are indicative. The one, recipamur, is passive, and the other, obtenemus, is active. So by this actus, into the number, in numerum, we are received, and the right, the use, neuter singular and accusative, object of obtenemus, and we obtain the right ad omnia, to omnia privilegia, to all the privileges. Omnia privilegia is neuter plural and accusative as the direct object of the preposition ad. So we are received into the number in numerum, and we gain the right to all the privileges filiorum Dei, masculine plural genitive, all the privileges, of the sons Dei, of God, masculine singular and genitive of possession. Here is another member of the Westminster Assembly, Reverend Henry Scudder, whose birth date is unknown, but who died probably 1659.